Experience the life-changing influence of working together, serving together and bringing out the leader in you. अनुभव करंतु नेतृत्वर से स्पंदन को जहाँ कहता है leaders are not born, they are met. Welcome to District Leadership Training Program 2023 by NSS Wing People's College Buguda. स्वागत आपण माननको पीपल्स कॉलेज बुगुडा परिसर रे अनुष्ठित जातीय सेवा योजनार जिला नेतृत्व प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम 2023 को द फ्यूचर बिलोंग्स टू दोज हु सर्व भविष्य सही मानकर अटे जो माने सेवा करिबा जानंती एवं एनएसएस ताहा शिक्षा देथाय. NSS emphasizes the importance of service in shaping the future and creating a better world for generations to come. Serving with a smile. ओठरे हसस सेवा करिवार आनंद हेउछि NSS. NSS promotes the idea that community service should be done with a positive attitude and a willingness to help others. Let us create a world where service is a way of life. एपर एक विश्वर परिकल्पना करा जाऊ जोठारे सेवा जीवन रो ध्येय अटे. And NSS promotes the idea that service to others should be a fundamental part of our daily lives, leading to a more caring and compassionate world. Building a culture of volunteerism. स्वेच्छा सेवार संस्कृति को परिपुष्ट करी एनएसएस सृष्टि करे एक सशक्त राष्ट्र. NSS aims to promote a culture of volunteerism and encourage individuals to actively participate in community service. We rise by lifting others. अन्यर उत्थान को साकार करिबा द्वारा निजर उन्नति साधन होई पारे. And NSS promotes the idea that by helping others succeed, we can all rise together and achieve our collective goals. Every act of kindness counts. उदार भाव नहीं करा जाउथवा प्रत्येक कार्य महत्वपूर्ण अटे, गुरुत्वपूर्ण अटे. NSS emphasizes the importance of kindness and encourages individuals to show kindness to others as a way of making a positive impact on the world. Service is the sunshine in which virtue grows. सेवा रूपक सूर्य किरण रे सुगुण गुड़िकर विकास साधन संभव होता है. NSS promotes personal growth and development through engagement in community service activities, leading to the cultivation of virtuous qualities. Small efforts can make a big difference. छोटो छोटो पदक्षेप विराट परिवर्तन को जन्म देता है. NSS highlights the impact of even small actions and contributions as they can lead to significant positive change. शेषरे not me but you, मु नुहे केवल तुमे. NSS emphasizes the importance of selfless service to others and prioritizing the needs of the community over one's own personal interests. Be a leader by serving others. अन्यर सेवा माध्यम रे निजर व्यक्तित्व विकास रो अन्य नाम हेउछि NSS. NSS encourages individuals to lead by example and demonstrate the importance of serving others. Together we can make a difference. मिलित प्रयास रे विराट परिवर्तन संभव. NSS emphasizes the power of collective action and encourages individuals to work together to create positive change in their communities.